Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to give you another Maserati quick tip. I'm going to show you how to replace your Maserati key fob battery in your Maserati remote. Alright, you're going to need a few things. The first thing you're going to need is a flat blade pocket screwdriver, a T6 Torx bit driver, and a replacement 2032 3-volt battery. Alright. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the emergency key blade from the remote itself. To do so, go ahead and rotate the remote back. Go ahead and locate this middle button. Press that down. That'll give you access to remove the emergency key blade. You'll be surprised how many people think this doesn't come off. Alright. Next thing you're going to do is locate that Torx bit right there. That is a size 6. Go ahead and grab your driver. What I like to do is slowly tighten a little bit and then loosen. No need for power tools or anything like this. I have seen sometimes this screw does have Loctite from the factory, so it makes it a little bit hard to remove. So go ahead and easily remove that screw. Get that out of the way. Alright, now what we're going to have to do is remove the two end pieces. To do so, grab your pocket screwdriver again. Stick it right in this slot right here. And all you gotta do is just don't need to pry on it, don't need to damage your remote. Go ahead and twist up on your pocket screwdriver, and that top cover should just pop off easy. Go ahead and rotate the remote around. Do the same thing. Insert the pocket screwdriver right here. Go ahead and give it a little twist. Pops right off. Alright, we're halfway there, guys. Now what we're gonna have to do is separate the two halves of the remote body. To do so, grab your pocket screwdriver again. There's little slits on all four sides of the remote. Go ahead and grab your pocket screwdriver, insert it into one of those little slits, and go ahead and twist again. You should hear and you should see the remote start coming apart in half. Same thing. Perfect. Top piece comes off as one piece. No need to remove the buttons or anything like that. Set that aside. Next thing we're going to have to do is locate one more Torx bit screw. Go ahead and grab your driver again. You don't have to loosen this screw all the way. It's very tiny, so it can be easily lost. So go ahead. What I like to do is go ahead and loosen it just a little bit, enough to go ahead and rotate this chip around to get access to the battery. Alright, that's the battery right there. We're going to go ahead and grab our screwdriver once more and pry that battery right out of there. Throw that away. Next thing you do, we're going to go ahead and get a replacement 2032 3-volt battery. We're going to go ahead and put the positive side down. Alright. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and rotate the chip around. Press firmly down. You should hear it click. Grab your Torx bit again. Go ahead and tighten that screw. No need for power tools. They'll get gorilla tight. Finger tight is fine. Alright. There we go. Go ahead and grab your top piece of the remote. Line the two halves together. Alright. Firmly press down and you should hear it click. Alright. There you go. Now we're going to have to go ahead and put the side pieces on. Do so. Locate this little hook. Each side of the remote has a little opening. The little hook goes right in there and just rotate it down. There you go. Do the same on the other side. Locate the little hook. Get that in there. Like that. Press down. You should hear it snap together. Alright. Grab your Torx bit screw, one more. Go ahead and insert it into the slot where you removed it. Go ahead and tighten that down with your T6 bit. Like I said, don't need to go for power tool, just finger tight. It's fine. Grab your key blade. Go ahead and insert it into the remote. And you have successfully now replaced your key fob battery in your Maserati remote. Thanks for watching.